Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to train Claude AI in 2026. Now, a quick reality check: you can't actually modify the core neural weights of the model yourself. That's what Anthropic does during pre-training. However, there are 5 powerful ways to train Claude to act as a specialized assistant for your specific brand, code, or data, so let's get right into the 2026 breakdown. 1. Contextual training via projects. For most of you, the best way to train Claude is by creating a Claude project. This allows you to build a persistent knowledge base that the AI references in every single chat within that workspace. Upload resources: you can add up to 20 megabytes of specific files, like your company's SOPs, your past articles, or complex spreadsheets, to the project knowledge section. Set custom instructions: use the project instructions to give Claude a permanent persona. You can say, always write in the style of a 1920s noir detective, or strictly use React and Tailwind for all code. Persistence: unlike a regular chat that forgets after a while, this training sticks across all separate conversations within that project. 2. Enterprise fine-tuning, SFT. If you are a developer or running a business, you can now perform supervised fine-tuning, SFT, on models like Claude 3 Haiku. The platform, in 2026, this is primarily done through Amazon Bedrock. The method: you provide high-quality prompt completion pairs, basically showing the AI exactly how you want it to answer 1,000 different questions. The result: this has been shown to boost performance by over 20% for narrow tasks like medical record classification or parsing complex legal contracts. 3. Creating skills for repeatable workflows. With the 2026 launch of Claude Code, you can now teach the AI new workflows by creating a SKILL.md file. Instructional patterns. You define a recipe that tells Claude exactly how to handle a task, like run a security audit on this pull req.